Hi teachers and friends, நம்ம இப்போ டெஸ்ட் நம்பர் 37ல யூனிட் 5 அண்ட் 6 நம்ம இப்போ எட்ஜில் இருக்கோம். இன்னும் 3 or 4 யூனிட்லாம் நம்ம கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிடுவோம். ஸோ ஆல் த கொஸ்டின்ஸும் ஒரு ஃபுல் போர்ஷன் 1 or 2 or 3 ஸோ வச்சிடலாம். ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ டுடே ஃபஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் போகலாமா? First question. By the help of SEM, we can examine the option A hypodermal zone, option B surface, option C interior of tissue, option D entire tissue. Second question. A most common radioactivity detecting device is option A GG counter, option B GM counter, option C GZ counter, option D MZ counter. Question number 3. The structure which bears anthocyanin is option A chloroplast, option B chromoplast, option C vacuole, option D eosioplast. Question number 4. The ruthenium red is generally used to stain. Ruthenium red is generally used to stain. Option A lignin, option B pectin, option C cutin, option D suberin. Question number 5. Addition of new cell wall material among us the existing one is called option A apposition, option B deposition, option C intersubstitution, option D aggregation. Question number 6. The lipid bilayer concept for plasma membrane was first proposed by option A Davison and Daniel Lee, option B Gotter and Grandel, option C Overton, option D Singer and Nicholson. Question number 7. The latest model plasma membrane is option A lamellar model, option B unit membrane model, option C fluid mosaic model, option D molecular lipid model. Question number 8. An aptamer of 4 histone complexed with DNA is called option A nucleosome, option B centrosome, option C chromosome, option D entosome. So octamer of 4 histones complexed with DNA. Question number 9. A somatic cell of P contains option A 40% of DNA, option B 30% of DNA, option C 20% of DNA, option D 21% of DNA. Question number 10. Axisome or F1 particles occur in option A thylakoids, option B mitochondrial surfaces, option C inner mitochondrial membrane, option D chloroplast surface. Question number 11. The total heredity the total heredity material outside the chromosome is called plasma gene, option B plasmon, option C mutant cistron and recon, option D cytogenome. Question number 12. The minimum number of chromosome number haplopapas was recognized by option A n is equal to 2, option B 2n is equal to 4, option C x is equal to 2, option D 2x is equal to 4. Question number 13. The number of mitochondrial increases in the cell of option A dormant seeds, option B ripening fruits, option C germinating seeds, and option D dry seeds. Question number 14. The site of protein synthesis is easy தான் உங்களுக்கு. Option A smooth RNA, smooth ER. Option B rough ER. Option C plasma lemma. Option D nucleus. Question number 15. Ribosomes are produced in option A nucleolus, option B mitochondria, option C cytoplasm, option D Golgi body. Question number 16. A disease caused by a recessive gene is option A daltonism, option B color blindness, option C night blindness, option D sickle cell anemia. Question number 17. Albinos have vision problem in bright light because they lack of option A melanin, option B rods, option C cone, option D creatine. Question number 18. Balbiani rings are present in option A X chromosome, option B Y chromosome, option C Lamb-Brus chromosome, option D Palatine chromosome. Question number 19. NBPGR is located at option A Nagpur, option B New Delhi, option C Lucknow, option D Kolkata. Question number 10. Genomes is option A single gene, option B pair of gene, option C genes in diploid cell, option D genes in haploid set of chromosomes. Question number 21. A loss of homologous chromosomes from a diploid set is option A monosomic, option B polysomic, option C nullisomic, option D diplosomic. Question number 22. In plant breedings, new gene can originate through option A polyploidy, option B mutation, option C somatic cell fusion, option D hybridization. Question number 23. The main advantages of vegetative propagation is that it option A is quite easy, option B is reliable, option C produces genetically uniformly progeny, option D produce healthy and disease resistant plant. Question number 24. Which one of the following plants is being used as a model system to study development genetics of zygotic embryogenesis? Zygotic embryogenesis. Option A Arabidopsis thaliana, option B Daucus carota, option C Ziam maize, option D Capsula persa pastoris. Question number 25. Trisomy is most common in trisomy की best example இதுதான்ப்பா. Option A Pisum, option B Aloe, option C Royo, option D Datura. Question number 26. Cambium and carcambium are examples of option A apical meristem, option B lateral meristem, option C intercalary meristem, option D elements of xylem and phloem. Question number 27. Quiescent center in the root apical meristem is discovered by option A Smith, option B Eames or Nageli, option C Constantine, option D Close. Question number 28. Root cap is absent in lithophyte, option A, option B hydrophyte, option C xerophyte, option D mesophyte. Question number 29. Monocot leaves possess option A intercalary meristem, option B apical meristem, option C mass meristem, option D lateral meristem. Question number 30. Axillary and terminal buds are derived from the activity of option A parenchyma, option B lateral meristem, option C apical meristem, Option D, intercalary meristem. Question number 31. Parenchyma helps plant to option A, attachment, option B, exchange of air, option C, float on water, option D, mechanical support. Question number 32. The approximate length of the longest fiber is option A, 85 mm, option B, 55 cm, option C, 35 cm, option D, 45 millimeters. Question number 33. The commercial fiber of Ceiba bendandria comes from stem, leaf, seed, fruit, not fruit. Okay, commercial fiber Ceiba bendandria. Jute fiber is obtained from the plant jute, Lina muscitatisma, Boyerhavia nivea, Agave cisalna, Hibiscus cannabis. பார்த்துக்குங்க. Question number 35. Parenchyma is derived from xylema, phloema, sclerenchyma, parenchyma. Question number 36. Fast fibers in woody stem belongs to fast fibrous in woody stem belongs to cork, phloem, that means cortex, C, option D, xylem. ஓகேங்களா. Question number 37. The term vascular plant was introduced. Vascular plant introduce பண்ணது யாரு? Option A, Sanyo, option B, Jeffrey, option C, Yesu, option D, Haberland. Question number 38. Yeah, primitive angiosperms that lack vessels. Option A, Magnolia, option B, Ranalissima, option C, Nymphaea, option D, Sargandra. Question number 38. 9. The sieve pore is narrow if the following is thick. Option A, sieve plate, option B, sieve arca, option C, callow cylinder, option D, all of these. Question number 40. Bordered pits are commonly found in. Bordered pits are commonly found in. Question number 40. Option A, tracheids, option B, fibrous, option C, companion cells, option D, sieve tubes. Question number 41. Collateral are the palata hair, water vesicle, either gland in the bladder. Collators are. Question 42. A young root is usually surrounded by option A, cutin, option B, pectin, option C, mucilage, option D, none of these. Question 43. A vascular bundle with centrifugal xylem is called option A, exarch, option B, endarch, option C, mesarch, option D, none. Question number 44. Bulliform cells are found in the leaves. Option A, sunflower, option B, wheat, option C, Tinospora, option D, potato. இந்த புள்ளிஃபார்ம் செல்ஸ் வந்து லீவ்ஸில் எந்த லீவ்ஸில் பவுண்டாக இருக்குது அதுதான் கொஸ்டின்ஸு பார்த்துக்குங்க. Question number 45. In dicot rule cells of which region show Casparian strips? Casparian strips வந்து எந்த லேயரில் பவுண்டாக இருக்குது? Option A, epidermis, option B, endodermis, option C, pericycle, option D, hypodermis. Question number 46. The exodermis has deposition of option A, lignin, option B, suberin, option C, pectin, option D, cutin. Question number 47. The hardwood of acacia cashew is rich in option A, resins, option B, tannins, option C, mucilage, option D, gum. Question 48. A hollow-hearted plant has no option A wood, option B softwood, option C hardwood, option D pith. Question number 49. Duramen is a option A bark, option B periderma, option C hardwood, option D softwood. Question number 50. The waxy substance associated with the cell wall of cork cell is. Question number A suberin, option number A suberin, option number B cutin, option C hemicellulose, option D lignin. இந்த கார்க் செல்லு வேக்சி சப்ஸ்டன்ஸ்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா டக்குன்னு உங்களுக்கு ஒரு ஞாபகம் வரணும் செகண்டரி க்ரோத்துன்ட்டு. ஓகேங்களா? சரி, தேங்க்யூ டீச்சர்ஸ், ஆல் த பெஸ்ட். கொஞ்சம் நல்லா கொஸ்டின்ஸ் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணி பண்ணுங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு டெஸ்ட்டு பார்ப்போம். ஓகேங்களா? ஆன்சர்ஸ் இங்கே இருக்குது. சில பேர் டவுட்டுக்கு ஆன்சர் கேட்பீங்க. 10th சி தான், டி கிடையாது. ஓகேங்களா? 18th இங்கே இந்த பக்கம் ஆன்சர் போட்டிருக்கேன், டிஏ. ப்ளஸ் எனக்கு ஒரு ஸ்மால் ரெக்வஸ்ட்டு, ப்ளீஸ் புட் அ லைக். தேங்க்யூ டீச்சர்ஸ்.